Arbitrage trading. Do you know what that actually is? What type of trading that actually is? In simple terms, it is when same asset, for example BTC, is found on two different exchanges with different prices or with price differences. That difference in prices is capitalized by arbitrage trading, and I think that is explaining the core principle that this type of trading is actually using. In today's video, we will check Arbitrage Web, one unique crypto project that is doing exactly that. So if you're interested in learning more about that, you should definitely stay tuned. We are starting on their website, Arbitrage Web. But one really important thing that I want to point out before we start checking out anything, you need to know that this video itself is not financial advice. Do not take it as one, and if you're thinking about checking, joining, or maybe investing into any crypto project, definitely do your own deep research. Sole purpose of this video is educational. I want to learn you what arbitrage trading is and how it is functioning. So with that being said, we can jump straight to it. So Arbitrage Web, platform that is doing arbitrage trading. They're scanning hundreds and millions of assets every single second on different exchanges. You will see the details, and of course they're trying to find the best differences in price on exchanges. Spot every crypto arbitrage opportunity, as they are claiming over here. They are live across 50 plus exchanges, and I think with that they are capitalizing almost all exchanges that are broadly used. As we are seeing, one real-time crypto arbitrage scanner tracks Bitcoin and altcoin price difference across 50 plus exchanges, so you can find profitable cross-chain spread before they disappear. Those differences in the prices are of course fastly moving, and of course all exchanges want to have same offered price. That is why the action needs to take place fast. As we can see, they are claiming 99.9% uptime and less than 50 millisecond latency, 50 plus exchanges. Now we can see some of the stats where they have more than 10k active traders using arbitrage trading, monitored daily in assets $2.3 billion, 50 plus global exchanges, and of course, as we know, the speed less than 50 millisecond latency. Crypto arbitrage tools that are built on Arbitrage Web are of course helping in finding the best opportunities, real price time monitoring happening, and we can see the updates every 500 milliseconds across all tracking pairs. We know the exchanges instant arbitrage alerts or notifications that are given once the price and the difference is found. Historical spread analysis, of course, which is important to know what happened in the past and where those best prices can be found. Great speed and profit calculator, because when you are calculating profit on one trade, it is important to know that we need to include the trading fees on top of that, and that is deducted from the profits or the difference in the prices, so it needs to make sense for it to be executed. How to start it, here is the explanation on how it is functioning, and of course setting up the profile itself. I'll show you a little insight in the dashboard and how it is looking, but overall anyone who wants to learn can go explore and find out how everything is looking. Of course, for the services that are offered, there are prices paid on monthly or annually terms, with $30 monthly and $289 annually or yearly paid, which is of course lower than on monthly basis. We can see over here some questions that anyone who is maybe having them can go and explore. For example, how it is working, is it legal itself, how much money can be made through it. Of course, these questions are for the people who are thinking that, and we can see over here something like a free trial is active there. This is the base website and the core principle behind arbitrage trading, and now let's go a little little deeper in the dashboard. And now guys, we are checking the dashboard itself, and you can see how one active profile is looking and what things can be found. Calculator alerts notifications on the dashboard. There is spread by assets held by the owner of the account and where it has put it. We can see here some pairs that are tracked and set to be tracked, and of course this is the list of it. Truly great. Volume, info, stats. The calculator that I mentioned is one great thing. Here it is set to the token, here it is set and can be adapted for different exchanges, for different coin itself, and of course the fees that are asked on that exchanges. It is important to implement that. And then of course there is the slippage in trading, the price movement in seconds that happen that can be tracked. The alerts that I already mentioned can be set for different coins that people prefer, of course, and the minimal spread amount or the difference itself. Truly interesting. We can see also the subscriptions down below, settings, and admin. That is the whole dashboard and how everything is functioning. Truly great. And now you have a little more insight in the dashboard and all the tools that are present there. I want to keep this video short and informative. We have checked Arbitrage Web and covered the main topic, what is actually arbitrage trading. I would love to hear it from you. Have you heard about it? Have you used it? Is anyone maybe in the comments arbitrage trader itself? Thank you for staying till the end. The link of the project is left in the description for, of course, convenience purposes. And of course guys, if you want to see one more video that is interesting and from my channel, here it is. It really means a lot to me to explore other videos and sub to the channel. Like the video, share the video and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.